Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're so excited to have you join us on this incredible journey. Today we're diving into the heart of Bali, one of the most enchanting islands in Indonesia. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just dreaming of your next getaway, Bali has something magical for everyone. From its stunning beaches to its lush green landscapes, Bali is a paradise that promises adventure, relaxation, and a deep connection with nature. As we soar above the island, you can see the breathtaking coastline that stretches for miles, offering pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters, perfect for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing. But Bali is not just about its natural beauty. The island is rich in culture and tradition. Here, you can witness the mesmerizing Balinese dance performances that tell stories of ancient myths and legends. The traditional architecture, with its intricate carvings and unique designs, reflects the island's deep spiritual roots and artistic heritage. As we explore Bali, we'll take you to some of the most iconic landmarks and attractions. From the majestic temples that stand as a testament to the island's spiritual devotion to the bustling markets where you can find unique souvenirs and taste local delicacies, there's so much to see and do. We'll also visit the serene rice terraces where you can experience the traditional way of life and the stunning natural beauty of the island. So get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we uncover the hidden gems and must-see spots of Bali. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more amazing journeys with you. Let's make some incredible memories together. Bali is like a beautiful painting with volcanoes, rice fields, and beaches. It's a small island in the Indian Ocean, but it's packed with amazing nature. From the tall Mount Agung to the bright green rice paddies, Bali is a treat for your eyes. Over 4 million people live in Bali. The Balinese people are very friendly and welcoming. They have lots of interesting traditions and are very spiritual. You can see their culture everywhere, from the temples to small offerings at their homes. It's something you'll remember long after you leave. Bali is always warm and sunny. It's like summer all year round. You can relax on the beach, explore the jungle, or visit temples. No matter what you like to do, the weather is always perfect. Chapter 4. The Language of the Gods. The main language is Indonesian, but the local language is Balinese. It sounds really pretty. Lots of people speak Indonesian, especially in places tourists go, but learning a few Balinese words will make your trip even better. Chapter 5. Denpasar, the Beating Heart. Denpasar is Bali's capital city. It's a busy city, but it still has lots of old charm. You can find old temples next to new buildings, busy markets, and quiet rice fields. Make sure to explore the small streets, try the food, and see how people live in Bali. Chapter 6. Tourism, the lifeblood of an island. Lots of people visit Bali, and that helps the island a lot. When you visit, you're helping the people who live there. It's good to visit local shops and see how your visit makes a difference. Chapter 7. The Rupiah, currency of adventure. The Indonesian rupiah is the money they use in Bali. This currency, abbreviated as IDR, is an essential part of daily life in Indonesia. When you visit Bali, you'll quickly become familiar with the colorful banknotes and coins that make up the rupiah. The currency is named after the Indian rupee, reflecting historical trade connections between Indonesia and India. The rupiah has been the official currency of Indonesia since 1946, replacing the Dutch East Indies guilder. Today, it is a symbol of national pride and economic stability. It has pictures of cool plants and animals on it. Each denomination of the rupiah features unique and intricate designs that showcase Indonesia's rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. For instance, the 1,000 rupiah note depicts the endangered Javan rhinoceros, while the 50,000 rupiah note features the majestic Komodo dragon. These designs not only make the currency visually appealing, but also serve as a reminder of the country's commitment to preserving its natural environment. The vibrant colors and detailed illustrations make the rupiah a fascinating subject for collectors and tourists alike. Make sure to get some rupiah before you go. It's important to have local currency on hand for various transactions, especially in smaller towns and rural areas where credit card acceptance may be limited. You can easily exchange your home currency for rupiah at currency exchange kiosks, banks and hotels throughout Bali. Additionally, ATMs are widely available in urban areas, allowing you to withdraw rupiah directly from your bank account. However, be mindful of potential fees and exchange rates when using ATMs and currency exchange services. There are ATMs and you can use credit cards in some places, but it's always a good idea to have some local money. While major tourist destinations and upscale establishments in Bali often accept credit cards, many local markets, street vendors and smaller businesses prefer cash transactions. Having rupiah on hand ensures that you can easily make purchases, pay for transportation and enjoy local experiences without any hassle. It's also a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and interact with the friendly Balinese people. But it's always a good idea to have some local money. Carrying small denominations of rupiah is particularly useful for tipping, buying souvenirs, and trying delicious street food. The vibrant markets of Bali offer a wide array of unique handicrafts, textiles, and artworks that make perfect mementos of your trip. Additionally, sampling the local cuisine from street vendors is a must-do experience, and having cash on hand makes it easy to indulge in these culinary delights. So before you embark on your Balinese adventure, make sure to equip yourself with the currency of adventure, the Indonesian rupiah. Chapter 8. A legacy of ritual and dance. Bali, an island in Indonesia, is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions. The island's culture is a fascinating blend of various influences, including Hinduism, animism, and Buddhism. This unique mix has given rise to a plethora of rituals, ceremonies, and artistic expressions that are deeply ingrained in the daily lives of the Balinese people. One of the most captivating aspects of Balinese culture is its traditional dance, which is not just a form of entertainment, but a vital part of religious and social life. These dances are often performed during temple festivals, ceremonies, and other significant events, serving as a medium to convey stories, myths, and legends that have been passed down through generations. The religious landscape of Bali is a tapestry woven with threads of Hinduism, animism, and Buddhism. Hinduism, which arrived in Bali around the 1st century AD, is the predominant religion, but it has been uniquely adapted to incorporate local animistic traditions and Buddhist influences. This syncretic belief system is evident in the island's numerous temples, shrines, and religious practices. Temples, known as pura, are the focal points of spiritual life in Bali. Each village typically has at least 3 main temples dedicated to the village founders, the gods of agriculture, and the spirits of the dead. These temples are not just places of worship, but also serve as community centers where various rituals and ceremonies are conducted. Balinese dance is a mesmerizing spectacle characterized by intricate movements, expressive gestures, and vibrant costumes. Each dance tells a story, often derived from Hindu epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, or local folklore. The dancers, adorned in elaborate costumes and makeup, use their entire bodies to convey emotions and narratives. Their movements are precise and controlled, with particular emphasis on the eyes, hands, and feet. Some of the most popular traditional dances include the Barong dance, which depicts the eternal battle between good and evil, and the Legong dance, known for its graceful and intricate choreography. These performances are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a profound cultural experience that offers a glimpse into the spiritual and artistic soul of Bali. Daily offerings, known as Kanang Sari, are an integral part of Balinese religious practice. These small, hand-woven baskets made from palm leaves are filled with an assortment of items such as flowers, rice, and incense. They're placed at temples, shrines, and even on the ground as a gesture of gratitude and devotion to the gods. The act of making and presenting these offerings is a deeply spiritual practice that reinforces the Balinese people's connection to the divine. It is believed that these offerings help maintain harmony between the physical and spiritual worlds, ensuring the well-being of the community. The sight of these colorful offerings, often accompanied by the fragrant aroma of incense, is a common and enchanting aspect of daily life in Bali. Experiencing a traditional Balinese ceremony is a truly awe-inspiring event. These ceremonies, which can range from temple festivals to life cycle rituals, such as weddings and cremations, are marked by elaborate preparations, vibrant decorations, and communal participation. Music, dance, and offerings play a central role in these events, creating a sensory-rich experience that is both sacred and celebratory. The Balinese people take great pride in their cultural heritage, and their ceremonies are a testament to their enduring traditions and deep spiritual beliefs. Visitors to Bali are often welcomed to observe and even participate in these ceremonies, providing a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in the island's rich cultural tapestry. Whether it's the rhythmic sounds of the gamelan orchestra, the graceful movements of the dancers, or the intricate beauty of the offerings, a traditional Balinese ceremony is an unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. Chapter 9. A calendar of celebration. Bali has lots of festivals all year round. Nyepi is a special day when everyone is quiet. It's a day for thinking and being peaceful. Galungan is a big celebration with lots of decorations. It celebrates good winning over evil. These festivals are a great way to see Balinese culture. Chapter 10. A culinary journey for the senses. Get ready for some yummy food. Balinese food is a mix of spicy, sweet and savory. Try nasi goreng, a fried rice dish with spices and herbs. Babi guling is roasted pig with crispy skin, and don't forget satay, grilled meat with peanut sauce. Every dish is special. Well, that's the end of our trip to Bali. It's such a beautiful place with friendly people and a cool culture. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. See you next time.